Welcome to the Band Squad. Today I'm going to be showing you some more of tutorial for starting YouTube. So first you search up YouTube Studio. It already pops up for me. You'll have to type in the whole thing. Then you would click on this. You go down to customization, and the first thing I wanted to show you is how to do the channel description. So you would just go over here, type whatever you want. And also you can do a banner. Well, do banner links, which links on the banner. That's another thing I'll have to show you how to do in a future video. But anyway, it's this, and here's my banner link. So yeah, next you can, well, this is even, well, this will show up underneath your about. I've got the Joey and Rexy show right there. So okay, so now here's where you'll add your channel logo. Here's where you'll add that image behind the banner link. And here's where you'll add a watermark, which is very hard to get because it's so tiny. Okay, so okay, now I'm going to show you how to change the layout of your screen. So you go over here and you click on add section. You can add whatever you want. And then it should pop up on your main channel. Should look like, should change. Should change what your channel looks like right here. And then you can add that top area stuff like this for returning subscribers and channels and people who have well, for people who haven't subscribed. Apparently YouTube has updated this, so it looks much different than I'm used to, and probably a lot of people are used to, but it definitely works. And I think after I get used to it, I think it will be much easier.